begin to align national interests with interests that have commercial viability and financial returns for our people by allowing us to have direct discussion with each other. I also want to be able to signal that in the same way that we believe that our future as a nation, Barbados, is also capable of being supported by investments in energy, both hydrocarbon and renewable energy, that we have equally to recognize that we need to make these opportunities available to each other. There is no doubt that renewable energy comes from the patrimony of our people. The wind that blows, the sun that shines, the geothermal energy that is available, and who knows what may come with waves and tidal energy in the future with the technological innovations that are being done. It would be a crying shame if the opportunities for investment in those areas do not include ordinary people, ordinary workers, ordinary households. And we therefore need to find creative financial instruments, whether through unit trusts or other instruments, to allow our people to participate in this sector of all sectors. It does not necessarily require the same lumpy investments of the hydrocarbon sector, but it does also create the mechanisms by which our people can understand that they will not, with this generation of Caribbean leaders, be left to be tenants in their own lands. It is our solemn responsibility to make it happen. And the only way I know how to do so is by talking and putting on the table those things which need to be resolved, those things upon which we are united, and those things upon which we are divided. I believe, therefore, as I said at the outset, that the time has come for us to recognize that with the advent of what has happened in the Guyanas, with the advent of what has happened in Grenada, with the advent of what potentially can happen in the Northern Caribbean, that we have now a responsibility for our dedicated protocol on cooperation in energy, be it from energy services, energy investment, hydrocarbons, renewable energy, educated skills, all of the various things that will come to affect the future viability of the energy industry.